Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winna no baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winna no baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane.
So right, welcome back. Mr. And I guess I have to take this off and and many I wasn't pleased, I wasn't excited about the figures are ever in respect to coronavirus. That is confirmed cases are Ghana. You record over 7,000 and numbers are about an answer plus, and I don't know if safety precautions and answer the measures are they're about to say stay safe. No, you follow and answer. What is wrong? What is happening? And I said, Bibiaka, no cribby or high see who and I said, Yena Yamboya home by ye. Quite a day out, no numbers in our banner, but that no, and assistant 34 confirmed death, and I recorded which no permission, but in all, it's time for the entertainment show live on Kumawood TV, and this is Ghana's heavyweight entertainment grandmaster. Na yet Nancy could say, do me on the boy, you are the beer, and I said, yeah, no. Yabeko YouTube na yede the trending videos are popular honi na bi abrema no achi no beja for betina se na ye bie nsem ye bedi nkomo bebre ene ye won sem bebre e wa ha na honorable Kennedy Japan ade nsem bia ba bonten na de o kan se e be dey pass obekọ asori de ntino o kasa na bedi hu nkomo, and if you share same sentiment with him say obitima tena ofie na wasum nyame so so nyame de ono ni Bible dada. So this and many more and you discuss it and over for the camp of Richie and Ricky or Sebeko, Master Richard, a month of that about is in the news and now pay, and we'll be moving to and as a dive into the gospel industry now, what is popping there and how this happening. Name who hopper, and you can't mention the gospel industry. Dear Bidi can't say a Patience Nyakon, and she's in the news. Nina Akoya Abeku Santana. And come out with dinner, which we money to be bro and Osecrom Finance, Osecrom Sensational, Kwame Sia Apple, or Chami Kwame is in the news, and there DB Bemau. And of course, you know, we have a lot of video to share with you. Kojum Kasan as well is in the news, Eno Baroni is in the news, Papani, Ewo News Sumunano Pay, and the legendary and as a veteran reggae artist or the Ghana, called Grammy First, and Rocky Dauni. Is in the news and none, but you know, about your phones for our but and the main topic, the Able Sound is can Japan say, or just circle for years, you know, class for Nina and say, oh, must have been had done. I saw a corner a year, and also with Martinez, a bonfire. We are saying we have other news at DB. Also going to church is a waste of time, says Canada Japan, and Rascalib. appear or no a president Emma a another chairman Emma Musica or Greater Accra and our presidential aspirant for the Musica that is after the interim no a Bessa Simon or the Nipa Mako and 9 Eco or Boka home the bedroom home come more and so and a rocky that in some work so we should focus traditional music element but also we should fuse the element to redefine reggae music in Ghana. So and Seminole at Dawson we are live on Facebook, Kumawood TV, we are live on YouTube, some Darkus TV, we are live and to help with the discussion my homeboy Rabbi and my very own Frank Owusu, Focus Media Production Chief Executive Officer no I say wow him so you are part of the show as a winner you discuss headlines you can join us with your comments, you can join us with your view. Send your birthday. Yes, this is the platform for you to share your birthday wishes out, to spread what you have to your loved one. And this is the Grandmaster. And always when I'm here, it's all about happiness. So let's start for the camp of Mickey or say Berkon. Dear Mickey can say it doesn't make sense for our top musicians to be dancehall artists. And you say, you can say music made in Ghana, that is the highlight. But then also over the trend of music or more top no most of them are dancehall artists and we na Mickey Eka say the nyansa bia nim say ne oba Ghana ha but o say call Jamaica na say the top artists there no or to high life and carbon bia nim but over Ghana which dancehall is a borrowed genre and originated from your motherland but your top most artists or more dancehall or seniors and same on what he said about celebs 80% of Ghanaian celebrities cannot afford decent health care. So try video video for
considering where we are supposed to be. That time maybe 50%. Okay. By this time it's 100%. But see, I feel I do 55%. Oh, wow. I think say improvement in the rate at which Lumba, Kojointri, Amachi the day, and even the latter day ones of Foreign Ponsa, Kofi B, the rate at which they were taking our music. Sankai, itimi boy na itimi pija free wa. We should have been at a greater level. Wow. So say we have great musicians, but I feel sad say top musicians, not say Ghana top musician or a dancehall artist, and it doesn't feel good.
You have a problem with that?
A big problem. I wish say me could do Jamaica, not Jamaica top artist, a high life artist. Then I'll begin to appreciate this.
Okay. That's
exactly. Say me do Jamaica, and I say. Because Jamaica top artist or Jamaica Pano or to her life, then I'll begin to understand normal way. But until then, it doesn't make sense to me.
It was wrong for any Ghanaian artist at all to claim to be a dancehall or reggae artist.
You can claim to be doing some reggae in your tune, but I don't think that is wise to claim so we're a dancehall and I'll say reggae artist because that is not your music. That's what I think. I see you promote your idea. Other reggae musicians, sometimes R&B through their songs near their day, but they identify themselves as reggae musicians. Then again, you have contribution reggae and as a dancehall, Edema Jamaica. What I say, yeah. Most of their tourist attraction is based on their music.
Yeah, true.
Are you getting my point? Are you helping Jamaica or you are helping Ghana? Considering where we are supposed to be. That time, maybe 50%.
Okay.
By this time, it's 100%. But you see, I feel 80% of Ghanaian celebrities cannot afford decent medical care.
How do you know? I mean,
I know because
by what survey now? Yeah, we say 80%.
Most of the Ghanaian celebrities are paupers.
How?
Oh, how? You don't know?
No, I don't know.
I'm not a rich man. And I've served in an industry for 26 years.
And you think you should be richer than this?
There shouldn't be a point. I mean, this can better fool a gumi cab.
But those points come in your life.
It happens.
Wow.
Yes, of course.
Maybe I won't miss card better.
Of course.
Ghana celebrities do one here for.
Of course.
Okay, Mickey Osebeko, Master Richard, I'm not offended about when it's about the MIA and medical culture say, oh yeah, your genre of music here Ghana, genres no be near be a Afro pop, be a reggae dance or be a dance from high life or gospel music or I mean, genres not also be along the way. We had a crank music by hip hop, rap music, and so in our Ghana, how do you can say, the rap who pass your top most artists are or more lead and that's almost spearheaded the music industry. No, most of them belong to the dancehall genre, which is very bad. And again, and they said, Papa Penimupa, and also one did a bravo and fatso home. A bear didn't say, a bet in and now which means can't show when the car, not just a while, you're that should be, but Panisuta said. That is so homo more and that's one as more master and but your partner say my mom na also waiting me do message about me Frank wa sounds so and me wo eh amanziba Frank mama kwaba more rabba so what she say more rabba so and amanziba any rabba team and last week na rabba and amanziba and then Frank aba you know this is a team at the age you know Amanziba is with us.
Yes,
with the production, yes. Amanziba is with us. With the production. Oh, where Enquiry says don't forget.
Don't forget, last week was his birthday. No? Last week was Amanda's birthday. Everyone a happy birthday. Everyone a happy birthday. Okay. Then let's also.
Last week. It's Monday. Yeah.
Then let's also use the opportunity to also congratulate.
NY DJ and Zion fellow,
yes, for being part of the Bloggers 50.
Yeah. Top 50 in Ghana.
It's a big achievement. Then one is your YFM.
For placing the 26th.
Yeah, Focus TV and Focus Media Awards and Grandmaster. Oh, you're not part.
Yeah, dear mom.
Oh, so your only swagger, I think, was good.
Dear me, Jose, because you know to say, your part-time bloggers and your full-time bloggers. We blog any part-time. This is what I do.
But congratulations to them. It's not eating. Say, can you practice?
Okay.
Now I can work in Ghana because you have about 30 million plus. And you're no, I know we have more bloggers.
Okay.
But you say,
but the 30 million, not all of them are bloggers.
No, but being counted among. And don't forget that we will have more than.
Because listening by the likes of Kwame Dazi,
more.
Mixing in Action, Samuel Place.
So many people. I don't want to mention this. Yes, I want to very personal.
But you know, congrats to NYDJ no more or Munya. More boy, GH page in GH Kokuma, Mumma, content or YouTube channels, Munina, no big up. Congrats to you and Honsa Manano. Ken, you have a call there. Nice one. And that means, sir, you are going to do the most and answer the major talking. That is the main topic about what Honorable Kennedy Japan can say a waste of time to go to church. You drew why but let's come back to the first video I'm a boy from the camp of Mickey or Sebeko. The all can say a sad said to see top musicians Ghana they belong to the dancehall genre, which is very bad. That is one. Two, the all can say 80% of celebrities known to me acquire good health care. So let me hear from you, Ken.
Fisher, Kriya, or Papa was Fisher, Killian Coupon, and two feeling among you more than Sarah. And Murphy, a smart Vicky can. For Yang as Ghana, Bianca said the best Ghanaian musician, and I said the topmost best, a dancehall artist. Of course, a quite Shada, you know, say Ghana, you level of music. No, your origin, which is high life music. Inti, as my big key high life we do one high life for do one. You don't have money like that.
Okay.
And at time I high life journey now so far. You know, say now we didn't have this social media and all those stuffs. So inti, high life it's very very difficult for us to have a high life music and then a very running channel. I don't think that would be the best.
Okay.
Because high life already know going through sufferization.
Okay.
The high life go through sufferization. How do high life lead
Ghana music? Meanwhile, some Korean mobile. They are very good. You're looking at Stoneboy, the kind of music he's doing, the kind of music Shatawale is doing, episode. There are a lot of them, and we have no more. So a month for us is terminating now. Then definitely dancehall will be living. But the idea about us when we say dancehall, no, still it's not far from our culture. It's still our culture. The Jamaicans are our brothers, and Obianim say Jamaica for the Africans. Into any bad thing, but for them, for him to say be 80% of the
Ghana celebrities
cannot afford healthcare. And then again say it's not the reality.
Okay.
He's just bragging on the vibe because Okasa, what do you mean by that? Dear research now, research team Ben on no said man celebrities Ben on Miki or no Makasa or Muslim hospital, and also meet me show Moye. Now, like I said, we show who you cry and when they say, I think that boot episode to bomb bina and also trend the man said they're trendy and pay. Yeah.
Maminko to somehow I'll say I don't blame the musicians alone. This is a national problem, and the national problem being that we don't understand our culture. We don't even know we have a culture for us to even teach the next generation. We don't have we don't teach our heritage. That is one of the major problems we have in the country. We don't have any sense of direction as a country. So anything goes, and this is what he's talking about. The top musicians, you know, movie and as being a dancehall artist, and on the 80% of Multimia for the healthcare. You know, what he says is the financial plight of Ghana actors in recent times, you know, have been a topic widely in Rabbi, my name Frank, so now Frank. We made the better boot haircut. We were in that training for about 26 years.
Industry as what? Is
movie
as movie actor.
As a yes,
as a commercial man. That is the sense of child that's moving for the but not in the music industry. Okay. And he's talking about music industry.
Sure.
Or what's thermometer? Did he used to get this percentage? Or used to say what percentage? What thermometer? What research? Or research in BRC? When you say some of these things, fine, you could say it in the open, way back and in the raw format. Okay. But the fact is that saying the raw format, nobody can see. Please be honest. No, on that is accepted. But the reality of the whole thing is that on what basis and on the cancer somehow can, but by basis very on the national. And who has even asked himself, anybody who is anybody who makes a song is an artist? Is it so in Ghana? Is it so in Ghana?
No, please.
But no, is he an artist?
No, badly. Another heard John Cena or rap freestyle be a number of people, and it doesn't make him an artist.
Exactly. So if we generalize it and say 80% fine. We all know that problem in the music industry, and no one said that problem in the music industry is a positive thing. No, that is why I don't know if you know weekend here now. Kojo problem and so more. And I could do about 3 years question to
diversity. So if you want to diversify the industry, a name will be brief.
But so what? Kojo ask so what do they want the government to do for them? Okay. And somebody quickly asked him, how do you see it? Because the fact is how you see somebody. Then you are not a value to the person. What I said, it is there fine. We know that in this country, Ghana, the artists are suffering. We know how to even get a good studio, how to go to studio, how to even do a promo. We know it's a problem, and we know it's a challenge. But it does not reflect on health-wise so many people have. They don't reflect. They have nothing to do together.
Okay.
They are both defective. An artist, no, they are all possible. Nobody knows what is saying. What has that got to do with? Say they are made, or can we say, yeah, they struggle to make a hit, or they struggle, about 80% struggle to make a hit. Or that's a different thing altogether. But not on to the hospital level, when it's really what?
So nice one, and we have found now Moses Okasa. Mr. Also, Mrs. Brad, making camera. Young guy in Rahim Banda, the ambassador, a government flagship program that is a free senior high school. And on Sunday, or joining people of Abosokai and Okofidi or Manasa celebrated the 8th fatal and donated packs of food. Branch here Rahim Banda, to say this term, we over Nepal 300 Muslims. A year I was so kind or no more could this salad no ebo. You know, let's have a look at the highlights.
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba.
Okay.
The street child, all the street children, they should see the importance of education. You cannot keep on begging. So what age? So some of these children are the ones that we need to educate, to go to school, take education very seriously, and then come back to the community and develop the community. Yes.
So can we have a number so that anytime you can invite us, come and educate our
Yes. The father is the manager, the mother is the promoter, the father is everything. So you can take the father's number, but
okay,
you know, he's the one who produced seed, apple.
Mama Chairman, Patrick Musafa for making this video available for us. And also using this opportunity, I advise everyone to adhere to the social distancing protocol to prevent spread of coronavirus. And you know, we ended the course last Sunday. Yinya Bofra Rahim Banda, Ma Abosoka Projani D. Na Everpa. And young call to the gospel industry now here. And some of you are and your demonic agenda against Joe Metal will not wash Abegu Santana the sign on a person. Now we and I say Sankono Koa and the free Neko and Kayuni about patience Nyako only interviews here. Sunset day there to Bernard in Yamako for Eba. Now I recommend it and as I recommend it, Joe Metal say we're keeping with us now. That shows and as a sign of maturity. You know, because I brought out okay studio. You have a video.
ma wabon some home against. I mean, when we say lion, I rely on that. Eh? When we say lion, I rely on that. I didn't see that. How say Christoni to me babonting ever attacking in Christoni. So the won't know my way, and sorry, no method is him, uncomposing. When? What about the word of God? Now, also gospel artists, don't you use the word of God in composing your songs? Bible na obidia. Why should a Christian come out to attack a fellow Christian? This is purely a demonic spirit against Minister Joe Mettle, but it will not survive. I'm telling you. That demonic agenda against Joe Mettle will not wash in this country. We will stand in and pray with Joe Mettle. Why should gospel artists? We are preaching the gospel for people to come to Christ. We are giving hope to the hopeless. Stop granting interviews on the unnecessary titles and accolades and recognition. It's unnecessary. We are workers of Christ. It doesn't matter who takes the credit. The credit goes to Christ. The credit goes to Christ. Whether Joe Mettle will represent Ghana or you represent Ghana, whether you write your own song, it's unnecessary. Can you say we are gospel artists? You are a preacher. You are a minister. Where is the competition in this? I was mourning, I was burying my father, so I wasn't concentrating. Now me try see me papa we no ba catch gospel artists say. And who here say gospel artists? Ebeba be yen tokwa beef. President Yako, don't allow the spirit of the devil to use you to destroy the very ministry, the very kingdom that you are preaching. If it's about the kingdom of Christ, and then we're sure for any people say Jesus Christ said, and conforming and what they would do preaching. Jesus said, leave them. At the end of the day, Christ is being mentioned. One person may Christ now, and then free through by, it is one country of someone. Since when did Christians become, a friend say, competitors? Please, President Yako. So we'll be on country one me cultural said the away and yet jai. And silence is also very golden. Joe Mettle, don't answer her. Uko radio station be able to question on it. Don't answer. Because in this country, no bon some ebe yusunipa. Don't answer anybody. You don't owe anybody an obligation to answer or respond to Patience Nyako.
And this is the last video we have for you on the tidbit segment, and thanks for being part of today's show. You saw a also the show, so for message brand and can come. We are live on YouTube, Oko YouTuber, Samdakos TV, and again we also live on Facebook, Kumawood TV on Facebook. Maybe I am on pound here, but do subscribe to our channels too. Okwa subscribe and now share and also like and unia so heavy. Catch us at Grandmaster and it's all about entertainment news and bro. Started with the Abeku Ekai. I don't know where it's coming from, but I said the many 24 here, you bidding common here, baby. But I believe some started from my rabbi. Okay, my memory of office. The Abeku Ekai any DSC and the percent at this time you should put your matter aside because Mabon saying that's
right.
And what Abeku said in all tranches and some announcement cancer the Pisanyako can started a corner community.
That's right.
And say then that me fancy binya that this and common maminchi
more film that's first of all. So the can I'm saying Joe Mettle there on Kasai and Abeku ne Kasa direct. Okay, Abeku got some more. You could see Abeku is not a spokesperson for Joe Mettle, but also it's coming from as a maybe a Christian or a different point of view. Meaning, say, who is a patient, Yaku Christoni, and Geometry Christoni easy. Why should you even want to heckling somebody who is a Christian and you are all Christians? Now, no cousin be saying, Yamiasa Makoya, and then a home but Utia Sama Beku Kanamuya. A Beku Sudia before to a young Pia Bia, Pasubia, and so. Minim say Bia, one episode, Yakono personal way Bia, because one, a Christopher back. You have to underline this Christianity. And no money the same. There are so many branches. So what is Abeku telling us? Roman for the Methodist for Nyape. SDA for the Jehovah's Witness in Nyape. But they can call themselves Christians. What you say? And the Abeku can say, we are Christian or Hackling, we are Christian. Yatibe baby said, sorry for. Methodist other Sunday churches so sorry
okay prophet
me now tells you said they are not the same sana uko Islam mo sana tie ye wo mo ye Kurdish ye wo mo ye Sunni ebi bebrebe o nyina obi a wo na yi a wo ye no ma but said they be kusigina pesanyanko so na o command gidigidi no eya kwesa asa be kunsu na onimu nyansa wo Ghana ha na say oni ye nyansa fo obetima aputu percent nya akutu order and I'm not thinking say asamna oka no or make final judgment because oka ya say kebeya nka interviews our patients ye ni nyina wonjai and who told Abeku said the oka no and also make sense then make sense a musician only views asama oka the platform our patients dey kasa no or attacking Geometry in any way. I don't see it like that crap. Okay. Those who are hyping Geometry, those who are acknowledging Geometry, no who say media for no hyping too much, they overhyped. Why? Because the guy is not having too much of original composition for his own. What I say, on one shot and running your man, on one compose no moment of a for him singing matter it's one money at the other and then or title
the kind of so class we say a Geometry pet. And he's the only Ghanaian gospel artist about to master Ghana on international.
Yes, Okasani is concerned. I tell you, you say Nancy, young Kabish, Mamadica, Koto, as well as best rapper, you tell us strong man, so Okasa Tiame. Nancy, I tell you, answer, sister, you know what I'm saying? This is music and gospel music, Ghanaian music, and gospel preaching. This is music. And so what Abeku is talking about, no, it's not too relevant to me. Maybe when you say, Chumbina Abeku here, promote Geometry. Okay. But Obika said promoting Geometry is bad. But we should welcome passenger views. I have very good views in all kind. So I said the America said Patricia Edin the birthday. First no. You want to who do birthday crana. You have to bring or say with the birthday no sorry. What you say? Now we say at the power do birthday now anymore now or drink sadabani e dinner man e bi moska efe. But then say na compulsory say chinchina na obi to Methodist nyumani ade a obi ka o se enye Methodist nyumani enyuma e de sum nyame dada da ye na e kura no tete nyum no young people no mo ba bebre na san e back to your support your sumafo no because of the message. Mamina Sama Oka, so she's worried about Omo Tronium. Mubrena, Yan Shadan Hype. Na hype na could do Omo. I want to be by Nadia for Nadia. We'll be to Marseille International. Now you're Ghana, Okosale Ghana International with the profile. And you Tioya, oh, you're Ghana and you Tioya. You need to speak your own language to sell us. Dabana Kim Jong-un, Bejina, TV so Oka, English question. Dabana Russian President Vladimir Putin, Ejina TV so Oka, English actually. What English, Baba Onka? It's a big Kubeka, so when I are sorry for, or when I are Christians in United. Methodist and one to more branches will be so Christians in Naipa, when you know room for Nankin and Cassie Christopher. It's a young one coming in your bar, no so some of their banner. Near her said, you can make a sense. Neon crab the first one, best is as on the bed. Sans or more painting his patience and as an arguing your bin or attacking your metal. It's not like that.
Alright, Okasa, I'll say, Oyama from Samariano, Sama, Agri Santana, Ekaye. Now, I know Kuseba Jimu so about Montiaba because Geometry is not bigger than the gospel industry and I say gospel artists there or Ghana. amango bibina na omodo manu atu kakuma ntemu nyina do manu atu sansense muye ba raba so aka ne de Frank that was my Frank mamenche
Let me tell you something.
okay
One of the factors.
nyame kwa na oka che me oka che me nyama yo
You are throwing the question. I'm looking direct to your face.
me me we meti kwa okay
The back one.
the raba kan no ne nya adwe
No, listen, no,
okay me too
how can I be? See, Christopher,
kwa best
okay okay
but when you go to the bush,
and much
and just open the bush. What is that?
ya obushua ya ba ko ebu tetere mo bushua kankan ne mo de kan mo ntrese ya bushua kankan mo ntrese
on fire or the
bushua no sa we o kai
Who said that's my bush? I'm not going to go.
omunye ye omwadire boni na mo omunye ye omunye ye omwadire boni na mo omunye ye omwadire boni
but you feel na what we are discussing okay
So previous Nancy. Nancy say, what the person now? What are you doing? When you now to now to glorify God. Don't let you know to now to glorify God. Or you them there as to now me I'm at the foot in the power of Christ to the policy never to be. That's the angel of the whole thing. So what's the big here? All can say that they are more we say of the man married now. One of us are only now come. One of us are come.
Yeah, come. What is it? But what has it been?
What thing? What come? Everybody sell them, we sell us. I come.
Okay.
Now you don't make they don't talk about it. They don't make noise about it. They think when I said the man because of what? Yes, voting. If you have beating, voting.
And it too. Say the back on able to man say mileage now organize an open. Unya.
Based on how you want to target it.
Okay.
Obia obia based on mileage. Based on how you want to target it.
Okay.
But what no blogging? But you know who organize? When I saw you blogging, the man. Of course, all the blogging, no. It's already already and I'm not telling.
No. Okay.
You understand? And you don't know tomorrow. Some of us, you don't know tomorrow, so you can't judge somebody today and say, when the power of Jesus on tomorrow. No, we don't do that.
Okay.
But the fact of the matter is that what more you care? You don't need to go to the field. No, and I'm with them, they say, I deserve it, and I'm with the one of them. One half of the score, we are going to do that. So, what did you know?
Oh yes. Minya.
Make some time for me to be saying no. What is the name about? As you go tell us no me there. We
ntipese nya ko nyu na nya da so de asa wo da tiefo
we are if you want to come in memo out to me
pese nya ko jina platform business
on this call let's have
on this call
okay
come back
say you
okay.
Because I was not almost the word mechanic. Why did they want the word policy? The word mechanic. You should not say anything. And see, is it the only news you can make out of it? Is it the only person you can go interview? I'm not just me, be also. I'm not the better than the responding. All responding, they responding. Listen now, and I'm wondering, or in India, but enough of what?
it's a personal or more personal
or anyone.
More personal hatred we want to
and me as a host, minimum the marital status.
That's how you met somebody in
one of the pandit challenge you trauma a person yaku say okonkowari.
Me so much challenge you met so somebody kono worry plan what yatin in plan din na be worry ono so worry se sana mo ka dia o your personal dia sana be oh na person yaku worry ya mata awari ya personal na kiso ko nyina na wa na kiso ko nyina na wa sani ya do mata so worry yatin in plan din be yente so worry ya do mata
yes ka
ya sa madam so
no o kano So person ya ko wari a o mare ye no. And from our was no be.
Raba, meet you. Because meet you.
Yeah, yeah. This is said your Methodist, your Presby, your Pentecost, and you're not back to in so we said one more.
Sure.
Wow.
They did say, yes, Christ. Okay. Different way of worship, and that's all. It's the come up to say, it's the different church together. He doesn't have to rise against other church members. No, it is so. So which we said through marriage, and not official marriage, and who yes, and when that is the most important to us.
Okay.
And believe me, sir, yes, to ordinary answer. It's you say, yeah, who may have
Enya no ko. Oko theology school where you work as Hey, theology, you can't just sit here and tell us so because this married or the baby yes but and married and they obvious sorry sorry almost pass sorry kwasi ada omu twa mbro no me no no o ko me omu twa mbro no me to so minimum omu muju omu tuma na munyu omu ntu mu ya nya acho etia kristo ko nya na ba etia kristo ko nya na ba mu ya nya acho kristo ko nya na ba on record o si mo Jesus sorry ko mu dia kristo ko nya na ba mo ya bunch of division mo nya ba ko because when they start we are see so we are share say family
we believe say we are go the double is so good here then I'm sure they don't call them okay that's all that we believe as Christian over particular biaso e ko for fa no no pastor bi ko ku na tie e ko gu mo dia e ko gu mo so e ko gu biaso ko gu so ka so problem ya ko you are not part of us we don't know you we are antichrist you are that
okay, Frank, and I'm not saying can. Baba, my mama 1 minute now.
But this is not me that out because
my mama will be.
So you know, there's no means you have to sleep in the night.
And see, that is
come on on record. The ambassador mechanism etiefo etie so sabi omo mo hwe ni ade omo so sabi omo so sima ye Kenya no debate we ni no no discussion so koso ofie and ye pa ye nyina ye mfa ye ntotofo ni hwe se Christopher nyina ye ba ko because ye nyina no susum sorry for me ya Christopher me nko ba be ma me ntise susum sorry for ye nkrimofo da susum sorry for ye Christopher omo nya sabi abosumsumfo omo ye Christopher be ne no Mimi TV we su Kumawood aka se Christopher nyina enye baako Frank se omo ye baako waka ne de am nso mo ye baako na emom susum sorry for mu do mu twamro no maati e de mo no my sacrifice ne de omo nka Christopher eno wa kire se Christopher nyina nye baako masam nyina.
All right, Rabbi, and I'm also later.
Mrs. Subia said, see, anybody who believes that Jesus Christ will move my head, now worship God through Jesus Christ the Father. We are all one. Okay. And yet there's another
okay, but we don't have Nananum yet. The Ohio Rabbi and Oha. Which I can't tell, but or no one representing Nananuma, no one who may mean so entertainment pundit or a critic or a player in the industry. That is why I Oha. You know, when it gets to Nananum time on record, I'm not the one who is going to judge. Young Koyanim and veteran Ghanaian actor Henry Harding among for himself Pakitin Peterson Papa ni Papa said Diana ye name I don't know and he has called for a national policy to guide and protect Ghanaian local content. Papa ni say we need national policy to protect our local content. That is Asuma Papa ni can the other say we need a government direction and we need to put leaders in our various departments. These foreign contents are very cheap. It is very expensive to produce local content. In fact, it is very, very, very expensive, especially if you want to do a good job. So the TV stations find it more convenient to go for the $30, $50, $60 program and show there. And so if once a day, like I'm saying, there should be a national policy that should even guide, protect the local industry. There's nothing like that. And over here, TV station from dawn to dusk, showing foreign content. And I believe so. We you can't say but who are na association biaba na ban no form a committee be 5 Hana before 5 election that was last year. You need the president Regin Sabodi didn't come out as what they would do, and it's one of policies of mother by 80% local content. And the people say, I don't know who it is this year. I mean, barely 5 months, and that's 6 months after the election, but we still see the foreign content from Anapasa, the Papani Air Can. You know, the all can say we need a national policy. I believe so, and two, working the winning circus, I would say let's focus and let's fuse traditional music elements to redefine reggae music in Ghana. And okay, interview with Minia Masakrachi or GBC Radio, but the Okanini said reggae music is not dead in Ghana, but going through changes. Any musical form goes through up and down. So even our traditional high life has gone through different phases in the past to what we have now. Reggae is moving, and the first Grammy Award nomination that we got as a country was through my reggae album. But the reggae we are doing now is infused with our local music genre and sound. So if you're a Ghanaian musician, you can't say the reggae music you are doing is a typical Jamaican style. I'm a reggae artist, but I do Afro reggae because I started listening to the likes of Nana Mpadu even before I listened to the likes of Peter Nesta Marley, Nancy Bob Nesta Marley. You know, we need some Papani and a Rocky that we need to go. You know, okay. WhatsApp line is 0543596070. So I was screen is over to me. I send a message about 0543 596070. 0543596070. That is a text console and as a SMS line. For messages no bra na yeni ho enkomo and some be na ye kana manya for messages for na birthday wishes no be e wa ha. But una we mama started from rocky the winner kasa, so you should fuse traditional music elements so they be you very redefining the reggae music in Ghana. And again papa ni you check I we can want some but we need national policy to protect your local content. But you have a fair fee, yeah.
Rocky Dawini is a reggae artist and a reggae dancehall artist, so it's very much. And what he's saying is very logical. But I ask myself, how many of the songs actually incorporated the local feminism himself?
So I also know that. See, and I'm putting to the reggae and the Afro reggae than Jamaica.
The local content normally say the music movement, but it's based in UK. Local content being on reggae area audition. Don't forget that the reggae itself is not our thing. Okay. We learn it from somewhere. And also you are there to run. I said the funny and I did on and I was showing up what's my name. Don't know if you get sure. And you know, if we saying that, you see, and so I always say, the people can learn from that. Because he is recognized even more than football. Don't forget that. He is recognized. Person local, and you could rock it down. But internationally, rock it down. He's everywhere. He's everywhere. Football. But locally, now, I will local. So he should do it for us to see. He should do the sample. Then he tells us, oh, this is the sample I am talking of, so everybody should learn and do the same thing. But if you don't do the sample, you do like one, then you tell us to do the same thing. There's something confusing here. No. Every senior man, when I didn't do this, I don't know what to do. He can even sell us more. Oh, give you a phone, you broke out now. I can watch someone say, I'm not working the link that we need now. Can sell us internationally that any artist who says he don't reggae now. No artist is more, no reggae artist is more than looking at one internationally in Ghana again. But one should tell us, one should come and do it. When you do it, then the other guys also learn. Another thing is, Papa, let me tell you something. The local content comes with a cost. The local content, Rabbi, it comes with a cost. It's not giving you a movie. What do you think you a movie? Say, Pastor, now, what is move your in. He will take you on. You need to go and see him, then get the right. If you get the right, then you can take it on.
It's the local content that comes up. I was in the now with the local content. And the fact of the matter is, what is
the board?
who is a winner? Who is a winner?
And as a Omicron producers of Grandma, TV stations of Crab, or you can also.
No, so we don't want to go because you don't see him before he sees content. Well, what can when the content on my battle? But I tell you to put it.
In as much as yeah, advocate for local content.
Before I forget, well, I'll show you how big Focus Media was. You can also subscribe. You can also subscribe to Focus Media and the content of Focus Media House.
And you're compared to me that what was it?
Yes, free of charge. But on the most on the lighter note of that, the local content is cost. And let me tell the truth. And that's why the conference I saw for. Yeah, conference I saw for Ati. The conference I saw for TV swapper. On my blame TV. Official of local media or local cassette. Not for content of the Barbia or official of the Barbia. I don't know how to call it. All the movies show. As a kid, I get that. I'm on this guy. You're supposed to pay.
Okay.
But the issue is that God is boring. They come. And when we want to say, who you know what I do. But the truth is that TV stations and other content for you're supposed to have money for
with this YouTube uploading downloads Obakona a movie Focus Media Hours part 1 and 2 at YouTube, which it give you and allows you to download. This time I download here. Yatimio. Enti mesa ku ye this me bo amane ana. Oh man.
No me o
enti me download say ya dia. One pound to all. Me to download to all.
Me like say you yes support am.
Say me actually advert bi or so, am commercial bi or so. No, me
Lord me want you can download to watch alone. But not to even watch the third part. Why is that? That's a natural response. I should try right because I know one will take care of me. So they also doing it. And then try to go and don't forget that. Okay. But what the teacher was can more do. No, I can because of the new then all kind of so the same thing the aircon. You want to download it, you can watch it for yourself alone. I'm not just saying with a third party.
What is the difference?
The difference is that the more you give to people to watch, you get more viewers, and the viewers gives you money. And when you're giving money, I don't have to lose me or the data.
Oh, they are got to YouTuber. Me mako download. No, this we used to discuss this.
On a different
we discuss. Yeah, we had the better copyright for normal baby.
I said that we could go. Yeah, copyright.
Because me just say, one man mako hda.com mako download Lumba latest by the hope I have been send me download it. No my bono me radio station my boy
they will pay royalties to the what we call it
Gamro. The first president in the control for download.
Or the control so
personal load.
So for you to enjoy it alone.
Okay.
But the moment you give to a third party, then you have to pay. You have to pay that right. And that is how it is. It's not you have to you know what? You know why about 14 stations they keep going on? Okay. They ban rights. That's why Go TV. Avatar rights for people. So they have the right. And you know what person we are so
start time for
Fox TV. Fox TV in US. Maybe wrestling.
Yeah.
SmackDown. Back on the says. I say SmackDown. One day. It's TV also use SmackDown. Dana. You have to go for animal. You can't do it anywhere there. They will take you out and they will sue you. Don't forget say DSTV. That's how to raw. I'm so raw. Every Monday. That's how it is. Okay. But our TV stations, they don't want to invest. They don't want to invest. Why you don't invest, you will never make it. What I'm saying? Fox TV in US. I'm going to do prison break buy. I'm going to do Fox 24/7 buy. They go for SmackDown TV. It's their product. And to sponsor them, you need to pay.
The papa ni can say local content, you know, board, you know. As entertainment critic and as a pundit event organizer, producers no more here CCR no they na wo catch
No, but producers what do they do? They don't have anything to do.
I'm so too I'm so kakre
But that's it. You know they want to go into production.
any ever for foreign content
Listen, listen. Part of the movie, already, how many better? And when you saw it, they will tell you, or what I said, send it out of the graph. Foreign content you see like that, you don't forget that if you move square, they are in there, lock, move the tape. You don't even have a kind movie, and then share with you, so try this. They say, if some of them are very software, say, oh, you can, they get a signal.
but that's it. We're coming from Serre, entertainment host or Star FM in the Atibubu. Yes. Serre said, Miss Aikwe Rosemary, and now your birthday. So happy birthday to yourself. Your birthday is the first day of another 365-day journey. Be the shining thread in the beautiful. Okay, enjoy the ride. And we message about from Serre. Wait till me the day about now. Another message here. Master Richard makes a lot of sense because I think he's talking from an angle where most of our celebrities die of poor healthcare. Mr. Nyako is being coached by unseen guys to generate confusion in the industry. All Christians are one. John chapter 1 verse 2. But the doctrines may differ. That is Pastor Dan. Okay, Pastor Dan, so message. Pastor Dan, thank you so much for watching. We say, play sweet at this morning. You look so sweet. Great, Mr. Frank, for me. Okay, coming from Mrs. Boating, Madam Gloria. Thank you so much for. American message. One day.
Could also say hello to her.
What's Maka? What's Maka?
Message.
You're on TV. The person is not on TV.
Listen, but for me,
Where Misty? Where Listen, what you like from Dumka? This is Pepe Smith. May God richly bless you, Grandmaster.
Dumka,
God bless you, Grandmaster, for the great entertainment you're showing, and my greetings to Father One, Mr. Frank. No. Would you be able to say because right? But you can also generate the message for message by
Murphy, Rocky Dauni, Wakasa, but so the na Frank Ekano, Rocky Dauni is one of the biggest actor Ghana a bit more boasty of. And I hear our very international recognition and all that. Now the recognition, no, I say a do baby. Now I as a book more recognition, and as a token recognition. What is so papa na Rocky Dawood meeting in Kana Yeswa. Mentisa Rocky Dawood aye ultramodern recording studio bia. Odi engineer bi fi be aba na wo chini wo gumi engineer bi wo ha. Obo adwuma. What you say? Rocky Dawood Ninsama or Kano, yeah, Ninsama or Kanina. May I mean say sometimes when people want to do something, they start talking about it. So the Bayan Kobinya Kwana Kenya General, because they all Kano as a big community in the music industry, no I regard what to quite or meet a lot of reggae celebrities and all that. And what who said, you can't say oh copyright. You have to be you. It's not about the local origin now. Also, very important. But today, now, Frankie can also example no. So Lydia, Ayana, and my Yehuni. It's me. I really wish say obey more of those songs that he's talking about. Obey a very ultramodern studio. So the editor say you be Sawahano. Obey be a few better so be hunted talent. Come baby all Bruno, Omanyeska. And from the prescription, even though they still need money, no, they are not in that money stretch now. More communicate can or more free to say they can rather create more money around them by building a studio and bringing young arts on them. So that Crown Moban, you can direct them well because bit says Shatawala and Stone Boy. When you show so walking down and fit to know on better. Come be as your many schedule. I'm not cry I pay scam. Fit over a bit home. One more than an honor did. And today I know local origin one I can did that. What I say? It's young pe a new generation I feel more grow. They will rather bow to the idea and maybe practice it and we'll get a very fantastic way on it. But Papa ni asoma oka also movie industry no up to now Murphy almost smoking peace pipe they are not one contact asoma TV for our problem with them ye movies be TV so enye Ghanaian movies no enyina ne sikakase ya omoji ya ana onim se omo so no omo TV no omo TV o omo TV no omo foreign movies na omo TV ne to so no ma fast omo se akwa we de ato so no ma siu but omo ntimi nkan bo mu NCI enkoye big meetings with the TV stations serious dialogues say be as 1 week we no a seminar the dialogues commercial be for our movie industry so the be sadly one day we don't just talk and you go and you come back next year and you talk and you go yes it becomes a politics so I want to so omo ye baako no money TV for on share ko ye go for ye come so mo nyina wo Ghana he ya obi ahia plane no da ko ye obi mo nyina wo man we mu it just have to be one being consensus no government for the be so betenam na if possible omo come be so no mo nye law bi na ne be ye mra dia ba be ye compulsory for the TV stations to also play the content na about say bia ye better but ekwe fa so kure twa sika no enya se bia first no e bia ye be my ye be stretch sika no within e bia be 2 years no maybe also we twa within some range no obetima show movie say there's supposed to be a proper way of doing things but utum say movie for no omo ego and a TV for no so omo TV because I saw for be more TV who want to show local movie no okotwe bibi ne meche no the obetimi the miracle hour nko ato for be 6 hours miracle hour no so be sama no nkofo mbese hu no mbese aba for another miracle nto no obetimi the miracle hour na di say 2 years mu movie na man nyina onyi bi eno so amwa until they just need to be omo nkambo mu no monye baako but still me nchia me nua ba na me defo na wodi ni birthday no queer adepa
obepeso obefu no
obepeso obefu na se no na se na me nchia dum kwafo me nua kofi duafo na me nchia KMFo so matese KMFo bi hwe wo YouTube na dadafo bi so ochichi ne benche nkran ne ade omo hwe etimi mo bi adi didi amone ade ajubi ketemi ame PSC me ma me awu awasa pa ba me chia no be bia
okay the Greater Accra Regional Chairman of Musica and our presidential aspirant Rascalib here before say beko your main headline no you discuss we na and then be line up to 11:30 be phone line number now so what do I been share about and we are going to pick many calls as we can so I mean I dey ben na say oji from di oji di nko dia you have to be part of the show and Rascalib appear Mpacho was see obo for other for misappropriation of a union fund and that na menka a for executive or more active a musical no Mr. Henry a Mr. Simon or a acting musical president or Kahon Rascalib at the court acting first vice president Ura Thomas Henry Yasin Reverend Yasin so Yadenoko court or not so a Kahon National Treasurer and acting administrator Mr. Samuel Kofi Ajiman and Ahuma Okansi Daddy Bosco on your director of communication and a special project the office of the musical about we a year together with Obo now the musical presidential aspirant in a statement released here in Sakabino about to institute the legal proceedings against Vice President for any other executives and he also indicated that there were many allegations and counter allegations from the majority of members and stakeholders of how the organization had been mismanaged during Obo's tenure. And some of the many allegations are that the administration did not release any information on how the union funds were spent. We are one. Obo never presented any handing over note, nor did he render account when leaving office. And the statement said the hearing had been fixed for Wednesday, ready on the 10th of June this year, about 9 a.m. Rascalib, this is not the first time. And on the same person, but because of community, or the injunction so a musical election from last year, somewhere July 17th, about against on the 8th to September, about servicing the NEC, that is the National Executive Council and a committee national say fed down for the election because of that. Now the core members said something about you the ghost names and I said for Ababa share the register at the club, and that was a year idea or the just and he's out again suing Obo, who is ex musical president for Mr. Corporate, and I said once me I render account via 1 year handing over via office with Scaviano we any news soon. The news said or drink Ghana to you know, and I said position of anything or nam actually person room number phone say we need papa we need some people for message Ebra and she will be phone lines now too. Ken,
yeah, nothing.
Let me start from you. From last year 2019 and you started discussing about Rascalib and you never studio club in Command what they a new voter register now you never to about music and he's here again although born this executive members corporate and that question is still stand.
Murphy, me that's once again. Was a purely vibe will be a Michiana secretary upon Uncle Ponson Henderson on one by. Why are you because on a greater Accra music chairman now on also aspiring president our person by music president. Now if you want to be a president of music you have a procedure also go through or go through the procedure looking at first court or call here about the voter register. Everything tells you senka papa na nkosa court na ka music bank come say but ko mo be wiem come say ba be wi asa abato nim amana ba be issue and believe you me say Rasapia Levi one person say music union no very close na Ghana food very closer. He is a very righteous person in terms of the position he is want to acquire because one ka obeti makana no atum na ki bi ono so pekululu biabo na wono so afa kwan bi so aba be president because looking at how enormous econo or very a bright chance to be the president but the problem ba kwa mehun ni say allowing the then vice president to be acting president now or say candidate no
Besa Simon
o ma besa itimati hona pia liva itinase ye hwe ha ma ne course no me personally me catch say hode wa anya ade only because of manibasa. But Ghana has said we have a system. I friend the court because we have some obo adia obo ayi now here and some can see about best I can say obo ko no handle over note and all that. So be enyamra nka ye adwuma o seka ba now ye ko hwe obo ye ko hwe Besa Simon na nke do mbetu table so na nke hwe o machimba.
Oh sir.
Yes. Akrofo so ban no. Na omo ya mama kwa magense se ne Sidi Kubari kro be ye president no. Kata she say ya no be here o say the Sidi Kubari court
the bit mama say obo buy no wa ma
to bia into buy that no to no so ye the way o so the
do than a hopsem mo
ba mu na for music akro
to you there
of course man because we him oban pedi do oba Ghana bi o say ka ye de no so be boka bibiro o so ko na bo si ka ye de na sama pani fori nyina boy akro no okay what's the major? It's an echo. When you could rank us, I will be able to once na bewu, and trade bewu, or crab, ni pabu. It's one kind of crown man of prayer any money. And found you are Opa Shokotu, Opa and Shaka in the world. When I'm moving forward, yes, and Uncle for you. But I've been American, I'm not for deserve Frank Muslim for you. I'm going to do it. I was going to say that.
Everybody do crowd.
So did you know a chance on record or can come on record or can
according to rumors FM there who data
and somehow all can you also make us free. I'm talking from a very old network. It is a Macassa woman acquire you Ubetima fan in a material fufu, but I'm talking in a different context. Timini and in terms of my communication. Did you say you are mature? Yeah, it's Murphy. Court no map on the system of this country. Oman will be here now in Shadantias na competition na say ultimately court said maybe Yaman Penia Kufuado no flag bearer and opposition leader or say on Tiasa said Mahama the president will be more than court no. Court case we are head the corner we are to one person the president what Tiasa until the appeal over no very good. Na Ghana media yes sir, this is not time for propaganda. Okay. This is the time for real news, not fake news. Mundi adie wo yachi. Na mo we trend. Also asem we ya peda ni se no bona 2 3 4 na bura na mo dia doje because obo hu kwa asem mu besa mo hu kwa asem mu sa akofo no so holding kofo industry ni nti omo kom hasoma na ye omo ya nti na mbi kan ka so bi abewu man kan credit this time na appeal liver abakuma se ye modu ya be bo na bodu ya no me na make chiro so man se ye modu me na make chiro so na so man kwa no bi wi ya dia ya ba o ka chira man dia maya na eti mo fi e be da appeal liver se for what she go.
We say, hi, big up, bro. Keep the fire burning. Extend my greetings to my loved ones in the drive, especially David Agabus, Jacqueline Agabus, Bernard Agabus from Say Agabus. Okay, and to all the Agabus from me, big up. Yenche will be also with me the message about Mamintia Mona Samoa, Mitia of Asgard Royal Traveling to Mitia and Pay. Mark Mamitio. Okay.
What's it, Papa? We are Saturday or on one of the Tabosa to Swanet. Where's an appetite? And black the mansion. So, that's most. Okay, reggae artist, remember I was an aspirant, and he's the chairman for Great on a day injection to election. So, and again, they say, although bomb cockles, I believe that we okay now. Yes, but the painting is that. You see, Kumawood, I said, if you do big quarter, yeah, that's to say the permanence. And that's on Tiasamas.
But it's not that.
But it's not that. We do the big quarter, on 10 of us. And I want to ask something was an uncle, one of us. And the baby I said, the uncle court, not court moon. And I'm in 10 of us. And not doesn't be somebody celebrate as a mass of 4. And I said, or
massive training.
And I saw the mansion, those things. I'm feeling very as a man of the museum. And on Saturday, September, was I a greater crowd? And on that thing, was I by for presidents. And she said, oh, no, it's open. And we talked to more. Now, we say, oh, but on the end one. And you also go through one more time. No, it's not. It is not. That's all you can. And no one I had to do. That's all. Okay, because so go through no, I said he's using his position to sabotage or to threaten people. Why does want to do that? And I believe this is the best thing every Ghanaian can do to be better or to make it. Sir, many times we are saying. No, I'm saying, men are made person have been doing. Person musicians and diabetes or what? It's the president. And I'm not saying, I was seeing in the sky. That's another I can say, maybe any more of sky there. Oh, never. No. He has never done anymore. Same year as sky. And I said, over 1,000 people, members. They renew their membership. Is it every 2 years or every 1 year? That's getting anymore. Never, I'm going to look for your money for you. Oh, come on. So it is for the musician union members in the answer no matter how you it. Because any music on one that go to music and open the welfare of the musician who wants to bring you the queen. And I'm saying going to that attractive artists because they never somebody. Because attractive artists are artists or multi-dinia or mobile or multi input. They don't want to come inside because it's not attractive. Because they see that their monies can't be found. Their monies go wayward. Their money go waste. I was obliged to go waste. Obliged to go waste. Okay, so
should be my enemy. Because it costs me so much, it wastes so much. So please. I want to tell you because if you are a man, so we say no. It's not. And as I mentioned, you know, members now should be appearing the A. No man does what.
Okay.
I'm not going to post. I'm going to go to very well for the bank. We go here. Official secretary said the project was so about once we don't come and see the one because almost we be there. The better also. I'm not going to back up court. Because see a bad what is the normal bad. Whatever you do today for the justice of the nation, you know, and for the parents to be brought back wherever it is, means you will do a good job for them. Apparently, bad. Measures, you know, members take it, not keep note of it. Shall go for massive. When the time comes, say, number 2. And besides that, they should also go to, they should go to court and support you. They should go to court.
I'm going to many upgrades.
If you are a mission, you do. Now, your membership, who are membership card of one, the Papa we are the partner one can court down. Sakari, the code. No, so no. You deserve to know where your money went or come to.
Okay.
You pay, and your money needs to be used profitably. And you tell the justice says, "Come and do that." You go with him, near the power, and also call patient near the shops are so that the vision, you know, that's about that. Now, that was also a yes, yes, that's what it's bad. I am throwing this telling all the vision you know that. Say, I won't pay the cost of the I let some do to the person.
Yes.
They should do to go and support our parents. Say, oh, no, come on. All the mission, you know, they say, mission, don't forget, we just spoke about mission, you know, who a bear was saying, for and somebody can go. I didn't say, music. I have more situation. Music is very good. I'm cutting. Okay. So to be born in the you go and you are going back one is that what did you want to do? You back over 80 years old. What did you want at the focus?
Mr. Simons, when was the last time Mr. Simons didn't buy? But Tomu did do a money.
And this is the thing is that it is very lucrative. But it is how the money or the money they wanted.
All right.
Very boring.
0543. Yeah, we're discussing. 0543 596070. Hey, WhatsApp line. But my name here by the main topic, and what we are asking is what can the point is saying is it wrong, sir? Sorry, and answer. He will never go to church because of some fake pastors, but hence you better not have for empire. My name we able to see any be phone lines not to mama.
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe bi ashe amansane winna no baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe bi ashe amansane winna no baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
Yes, I'm a phone in our car, but the good can is safety precautions and answer measures are you be stay away from this deadly COVID-19. I believe I feel about your name. May start no. You're free a handshaking. We always use the sanitizer and you close your mouth with the nose mask and as a face mask and everywhere. 7,000 plus cases confirmed and yeah good day and 13 can say raining is there and so for that message for us I was say if Rabidor is traditionalist, why is he promoting New York on national TV? Okay, we so for that nearby and going straight to your main topic never talk premier lower TV volume no uluwana and some one friend na yini Kumawood you're discussing your baby, but they are now will be cover topics they discuss. But this is what we are discussing now. Going to church is a waste of time, says Kennedy, Japan. So do you share same sentiment with him? And the Okans, according to him, he knows God himself and has been communicating with him. Hence, he can't waste his time to go to church and allow someone to preach the gospel to him. There are a lot of fake pastors in Ghana. I believe in God, but I don't go to church. It is a waste of time for somebody to preach to me. I know the Bible and I won't go there for someone to preach to me because it's a waste of time. I know God myself. If you call me and I start talking about prophecy, I will hang up because I want to have a good sleep. Anytime I die, it's God's time. This is what Honorable MP, Asen MP, Kennedy, a compare call at Japan, and what my idea discuss it. Over to me, praying now. Mabusa said, is it a waste of time going to church? But who will be prefer? I mean, you can as well. Every country, you can voice it in connection with what we discussed so far. This is Kumawood Entertainment Show, brought to you by Zimbabwe's Initiative and bro. And we are live on Facebook. We are live on YouTube. Frank, before you go to the camp, you have phone lines now to 0200 603 602 0200 603 602. Ofra no one lower TV now. When the Kennedy aircan, a ma ear crown so Ed in Sylvia Bassett on a crown, so Bocas or on class or I can see it. It's where or pay you in India.
No, so discuss the most important.
Okay,
the topic is very deep. That's what can be so I said, I'm saying, among because of what some social pastors. How can I see? Take that stand. I don't agree with it. I never agree with it. Say, the suffer or the identity. I suffer 24 pain. But so much to be said that I'm not quite for a suffer. You didn't do that.
Okay.
You didn't do the study passes. This is I suffer one gun in I have for one. I asked my answer. Now that let's come back again. So if you say, I told sorry,
Mammy is a mix will be adding Kumawood, man. So, hello, we didn't have your family.
Yeah, that's it. Sharing
a table, start.
Yeah, I think my Frank and what I found for no
nice one.
No,
Yes.
You can, I saw you you see, I saw you because this time you said, I saw you which we are asking me because the last time on the past, recently lockdown back.
That's what lockdown in our pass.
A lockdown, that was a written game call, but then, sure, no. You kind of go at least, you're saying a bomb pioneer.
Okay.
I think can you afford my opinion there, but to me, I think I'm siding with him at a point. Because they are suffering they are very, very, very bad.
Okay.
But let's my manager is now coming a big good and the year Frank, other Frank are teaching from a different point cry,
okay.
Because the issue is that not allowed their air castle. It's only geometry and two gospel in English in cinema what you do and a patient may say in the phone no to my net or money and go for no more.
Okay.
So it was just a point I will make you on the radio if you're not the hyping one I said Frank Tina or also patients at me. Not say that blood I see the fact. No, but that means also kind of hyping one.
That's it.
So sometimes if you have very skeptical the way the BC handle issue and I do was saying because they will be in Sudan and other presenters may promote geometry. If you issue I think she said the right thing. A brand and a match on them. If you want to promote gospel artists, promote all of them. Don't just say it's a geometry. He's not the only gospel artist in
that. Thank you so much. Going to church is a waste of time. Uji tum say na wakosunya no wasore dem no o se obra na we asama kede Japan e ka se ono de wonye sa o be pa so no o se ne bre but se na so hu no feminine ni ko
you can say one. I saw your power. First of all, and say today. Eating. And you'll be one. You'll be the kind of two. And you'll be the kind of or just here. There's difference between reading and understanding and just reading. Three. And you'll be the man who wants to show the right meaning of everything in the Bible. Because it takes the spirit of God to understand the Bible.
All right. Hello. Good evening, everyone.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Daniel.
Also for Daniel.
Yes, sir.
Papa, baby, I'm over there.
Daniel, I'm doing I'm okay.
You want me, pa? Also for me and you.
I'm doing no let me show.
Yeah, that's it.
Let me touch on last topic. I think any waste of time going to church. That statement, it's not wrong. I think taking a Japan sort of personal opinion, but at times the power class and they are very, very careful. Ghana are Christians and the Muslims. And you know, if you make a blank statement, say it's a waste of time going to church. It be your personal view.
Okay.
And I was a very influential person in the industry. I'm at Ghana. I think honorable this time around, no, it's not making a good point to me. It is never a waste of time to go to church. I want to be fine with you.
Martin. Also, madam, that's back. From them, what was my rabbi to run Kake, young Kusa for no. Okay,
Murphy.
Meaning, wouldn't we about my rabbi?
Murphy, also, method okay.
And you're wrong. And
it was some opportunity view. Now, said when you say, Frank Bones, in your sophobia near you, my friend, but to be very honest with you, many can be Japan, and I've been 100%. But the thing say, Canada, Japan is going to church a waste of time. In a higher contest, you can say, church. What is church? There's no building in this country or in this world called church. Church, meaning now you fucking scam. Then you almost see from the church behind your church. The church.
Hello, we didn't have everything.
The better piece here.
But what are you we didn't say?
But
my honest camera, I mean you.
The better piece here.
Okay, never show my mean you.
We have more time here. What's it? You have another one. You have to do a minute and I can get you. I would make a say for cost of a waste of time. Yeah, I'm sure they are the one kind of because now can't you have to teach you. It's a good man and you're not a man. After all, I'm going to take it away. I'm not a pastor, and I'm going to should not have you. And I think you have a partner, and I have a partner, and I'm not going to have a day. I wouldn't go to this day. If I am to see a certain stop of me, it's going to be a better thing. If you're not the money, you say, you know, the money. Then I have a pastor, and the music. Because of the crazy, when you went to the sea, and you mean that when I'm pastor, you are. You have a pastor, you are one because. That will not say, you will be able to feel on the Yabushi. And then one day you say, Jack or Banner, something. Also, you are the only one I did the fun.
Okay.
It's all right to see the Bible. It's in part of the one quarter, I found the bush. That's no bush. What's the one quarter of the bush? Okay. But then what with the bush? Now, I'm going to see you, and then it's a good and you
Medase okay, yeah, for hello, we didn't be a family.
Hello,
but we didn't be a family.
The Pacho, your family, Jamana.
Okay, but what family in our you?
Now, make a very flower.
Okay, but you're into you.
Yo, Mother, Kennedy, a small car, you know, some women in the yard game.
Okay.
Mata, yes, you pick to buy one that you are sorry. If you say, after the Nipper Wakum, and you say, one who say, what that in kind, I just have to watch Yaxia. It's okay, because I saw I from the quarry. What can you talk to the green air? No, for it. I saw to the green and many pound for it. Kennedy and Yagano. Ghana Nico will do of and Yagay. Sanity, used to buy it, you tell I'm sorry, I'll bet you. And so, church, and keep off from the upper veteran of story I used to buy your bet tea, and you need to catch and play for Mamma. Marcelo. Amen.
Hello, good evening, baby. Okay. Ofrana wa TV volume no. Ken.
Mo fi jide na me kan say kasa sorry no eye nipadua. Okay. Oh Yakopon say wo nipadua no ma sorry dan. But sorry dan bia isi ya tomu bia ye nipa bia sorry dan. Nti say wo no sa sorry dan mu na wo do wa sorry na sa kwasha eye church within church. And believe you me, a lot of time the normal I harvest for all right.
You didn't have to no. But one TV volume. Hello, we didn't have family. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, but you didn't have family.
Because I feel better.
Okay, but you.
but we are to.
Okay.
Mene Canada Japan area Junipa Atama Kano the Ghana film na test when they are doing several because according to Bible and test need to be any assured dan.
Okay.
And it will be an central to the Bible and if you so be an Bible if you are assured in it's a Canada Japan
that's we are going to tell. But so what was our passion so no? Over friend or lower uti volume no why. Hello, we didn't be a family.
Hello?
But we didn't be a family.
Hello?
Metonka, we didn't be a family. Lower TV no. Too bad. Sir, oh, we are just over 2 hours when you TV is why many shows say it's made in Como. You see one bedroom now. That is what we are discussing right about now. Feminine Como. Now, you hear now a cabesma, it do a mint, Simon made an intimate for Penny Baby. Now, Yamrana, Rabbi, and France also, and Cheshire. The fact can say, the Kennedy air can in Yarding, and Penny Rabbi so can say, a humble, you know, 1 in the yard. Okay. Hello, dinner of your family.
Hello?
If I told dinner of your family. But don't family. Achimoda, me meet you. Me want to meet you. Hello. Too bad. Okay. Walker also say yes. I support it 1 billion% true. Is okay. Hello. Udini be a family free.
Hello.
Me want to Udini be a family free.
Your phone is files.
Okay. Kumasi into union.
The food is
Okay.
And I will be a Catholic and
Okay.
but I mean, you listen. Now, if you buy a castle, you should buy one class of it. But you should buy our congregation village.
Okay.
And if you congregation, you will also show. When you go to many units, I think it's share one place. When you will be all back. If it's a congregation, it's share one place. When you will be back there. That is for the church.
Okay.
If you look at yes, if you go for Australia, then you can believe only God's spirit.
Okay.
Without that.
Now go shop. Kumasi for most of the ewe kudio maye. Shana say you made the over sell over boy na go sponsor. Ya Watinga Junction. Uju ya Wospa Banate Star Hotel. Mojo Kumasi in the Ashanti part of Ghana. Hello, didn't you have a friend? Hello. But we didn't have a friend. Good afternoon. We didn't have a friend.
Sofuyima.
Okay. So it's my friend. Sofuyima.
About
okay. Sofuyima into.
Yeah. My question is about my main country. We trying to show.
Okay.
So the country actually in here and normal and pay no. So we must say we part do say and I see here. We are all lockdown. We need to bomb fire on them. We must say.
Okay.
Now you can compare. Oma to bomb fire. Oma on them. If you.
Okay.
Because do one and I found them in Kuchiano. Do one I found them in Kuchiano. They the Kenya home.
Okay.
Yes, I the Bob Boy home. We go one not to Bonnie. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know in Bonnie.
Okay.
But what matters?
But you meet you, pa.
God. I didn't know what you mean. A year work thing. And it was.
Okay, too bad. What's the name? So wait me after I have TV. Hello, we don't have your family.
But you make it service.
But your friend.
Hello.
But you didn't know into.
If I walk the service of the walk.
Okay, what are you into?
As of now, Bakuno can say, you Pediana saw them. And you can see Kusha saw them. It's Susan Pedina saw them. But Mommy can even show. Once a bush will go, Malam, I'm a control. or baby Shia, and a cough for any Kikawa.
Okay.
And never be able to finish sooner. Or baby Shia. No, I finish sooner. And if I ban a while, or maybe I didn't find a corner. No, I'm not going to finish sooner. Why you're beside it? Amano. And I want to hear some what Nippo. My batch. Nippo, yeah, so you do. Who says you do? Now, we trade a radiator. I said, you are I took a shot so the more. Which we treat after. I'm out to if you want. Now, by the way, I say, and look at the people say, I don't do it. But no empty me. Not any time or your water. And I be our guest. Oh, that's very well. Hey, that's BB. And so, which make us and you can change them. I'm very radiator. Now, radiator and Bulipiana and radiator. And also the Pagania radiator them. But so I say, we do not should be.
Okay, that's hello, good evening, my friend.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good evening, my friend.
Because it's my friend Philip.
But what do you need?
Philip.
Okay, set the NTO million.
Oh, no, that's okay.
Okay.
Now, tell you, I know, you need yeah, hey, my couple, sorry, that. The first thing I would just. Second, I bet you should die. We are sorry that now you're more than for them, you're not papa. Okay, can't remember to do it. Okay. When you're meeting, you're not for me. So, you're talking to Patrick Bobby. Okay, when you're some place where many things are quite dear. And many papa for real, for you Christian. Okay, you can be a lot of people who are. She brings you to a year after. You are more about 42 minutes, and you can't tell you. The same many people do it about and you can do a papa. Do you have a Namia for the band? It's not that. Come back when you say, so you really come on. You are one. If you're a car, and you are me, or for the band, papa. You are just the open. You can go, Namia will have 2 now, or you look to. A better too. Someone for the band apart, you think you're that's what you're seeing. I'm not sure. About the
okay. You have 2 more calls now. You're in the phone in the and the Kumawood. I has it. Okay. Hello, we need to be a friend.
Mehano kasaba dini. Ya mketi.
But I have to tell my na one question.
Funny American. The most of any panel and number between and credit said the brother not to one air cafe. You need to be an 18,000 in the spiritual realm and 18,000. But the physical realm, I have about Kujina, mobile ready dealing. I found them. The part what I say.
Sure.
Good. And she said, I found them and we say, young class on them or bonfire. Which I want to say, I know better we are caught. Okay, we are caught. Now, they say, maybe they are Obaka could remember the wrong place now they are saying, right, Nana.
Yes, sir, we didn't have a family.
Look at our meeting the next one, look at every question tomorrow.
But what is happening?
Harry,
Mr. Rabia Casafino.
they say, make a very question tomorrow.
Okay, nice one. Mebato, Yentil.
The Batafa Beckham,
Western North.
but the thing is that but we are used to people buy and our kind of money, we are higher fast. What is it? But yeah, we are used to buy a good giant question, so how far I have fast. I don't know a question to put this up on the
Francois, so yeah, course, here. Na yenni komo ye better wrap up the whole show na your basement ya me channel 33 kwa na believe obi abenya ne de over body ka kasa ndike odi be wi na mama ya so super
Murphy, Kai say radio is not about propaganda, sana TVT. And sabi obi a memena na ye pana wa na ebeche time. Franco che time, cousin say, catch from say, scanny wait to watch $100 million. No one thought time no. What's the mature? Yeah, of course, money can buy. The American say, sorry, a belief system, a GD anamon to a belief system. ewiase a Nyankopon bo yi ewiase ni control and answer is under a universal system. Na example no say kase universal system a where the nsuo to a efrusu na ba go from a universal. So bitam kosua wa santemam no wa ne bone we na ade no de bo from no bo na no de ko universal. Say obi eba be ka kire o say book we ka kire say mre bi atwam be 2000 years owura bi ba obo wu ye no je nkwane ade a it's not universal. I believe system tell you gidia anamontuo nti twa say onipa na wo ti asem no ebeji adi but say wo wiase we ni de so oba nante a untimi nhya da engri ngina platform bi so na me wa ha na nka me se me nante na me ntia form no any universal system we dey abetia form we dey abanu nsuo oba home mframa enti ama Christopher bi omofo ne nyame say we support Christianity a say why ra say de omoka say we follow Jesus Christ a we ko hell opani. This is a belief system. Me no be any only two belief system. Me minji belief system undi. Me me di any knowing system, the universal system. No kwa sorry pe ntia me timi criticize no. Dia bitie. Ya wo me to SDM, man come asem. Ya wo me to me ma me papa o. No, me so I've moved from belief system. Ma ko GSS da. Who still am me GSS? Paint is me sorry. Na me be born again. Na paint is me say wu na me nya born again. I have to be responsible. Eti yambasa tiefo ni say obi fira ko ka kire say ada na me traditionalist na Michelle New York on record ni patroni on record New York nya abrofo dia woni ko fo be New York woni me nya no New York woni ma before ti New York ya before dia ya building New York so onima there is New York before Washington before me na mosque ya build the first university of the world ya build the second university of Spain. New York, okay. So who's New York? It's not for any white man. What you say? It's you can't be canon. So what's what supermoa? And trust us, I said, be canon. 100%. There's people who believe in the belief system. I'm the pastor. And they are locked down by some unconscious more. But also for me on internet. So, because I'm preaching. People are in the house, they are not going to the church. Life is still going on. Also this is insane. Until the Kennedy can or try to polish people's mind or try to make the party no so baby. You can say the Pediane Astoria. Now say Obi or Bossumintino or Conabosum. Me met imagine I am Bonnie Midna, but they are also number board. You don't fool yourself.
First of all, you can't Hebrews chapter 10, 24.
A belief system. This is a book version. Where a book must have no come. And I say, only for me, a book. When a book must have. Some make us yes, this is not a universal. Again, why you used to say Hebrew 1 to your Christ or quoting Bible. Listen, it's not about quoting Bible. It's about living real life. Way of life.
Live your life and let it go.
Mommy, come make a class. What else? Live your believe life.
First of all, Hebrews chapter 10, 24, 25. I'll say, and let us consider how to stay up one another. Stay up one another. To love and good works. Not neglecting to meet together. Not neglecting to meet together.
Not in somebody's building. To meet together, not in somebody's building. Meeting together. Sorry. Oh, can't go food. Yes, you're too much food.
The final touch. Ending part of the show.
Thank you, Murphy. That's right.
Distracted.
That's right. You good.
In the church, whoever does say, and then employee.
Sure.
Employee in the sense of, first of all, we all know, even physically, we all know that your physical security and spiritual security.
Sure.
It's what we share our sort of be anointed and don't be what so and not from how do you get cure for it?
Okay.
This is somebody who spiritual.
What do you mean with the disciples? If I don't know the disciples, I was a man, not that I know.
Or the thing nkɔfoɔ ni wɔ abɔnten ɔtete nkɔfoɔ ni nso wɔ abɔnten.
You can do it outside because there's a meeting. There's always a meeting. And there was a time by then. And now the guy said, "Yes, to our corner, only man only." There was a place of meeting. Another thing, another thing. I know beyond that, I want to swap. Bible, that's about the way of okay. And Christopher, it's prayers and singing.
I say, yes, Christopher.
Pastor, who are you to the neck?
Oh, don't you know because Christopher? Let's say, this is a belief system. And then you say order. And then order of the whole such a church. We go for Bible. Now, this is not the order. The word doesn't go like that.
Don't bring that.
Producer.
Thank you. The fact of the matter is, let me tell you something. First of all, no the spirit.
2 minutes.
Yes. No even the gift of God's work.
Nyame wo ma to bia mu dis so you lazy. O se o bo mo se le sa le
production team sometimes production manager Kobe Frank Augustina and law or and MCA or more and show be ready Saturday 10 p.m. better you play back but next week Thursday yet another segment ever bro. May the good Lord be with us so until we meet again same time next week.
Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Sini Papa Bena Upe Biashe Amansane Winnano baby Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Sini Papa Bena Upe Biashe Amansane Winnano baby Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Sini Papa Bena Upe Biashe Amansane Winnano baby Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu